Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Chevy Silverado headlights is probably one of the most critical components for your truck's safety and aesthetics, especially when it comes to a classic like the 2004 model. If your headlights are yellowed, foggy, or simply not bright enough, it's time for an upgrade that will not only enhance your visibility on those dark roads but also give your Silverado a refreshed, modern look, ensuring you can drive with confidence and style. Number 5. DNA Motoring Headlight Assembly for Chevy Silverado. Enhance the appearance of your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or Avalanche with this complete headlight assembly. It's designed for a perfect fit, giving your vehicle a fresh, new look. This kit includes both headlights and bumper lights for a seamless replacement. Enjoy plug-and-play operation with direct OE fitment, requiring no modifications for installation. Featuring a stylish chrome and amber design, these lights offer a distinct aesthetic for your truck. They are perfect for show use and will make your vehicle stand out. Rest assured, these headlights meet SAE and DOT standards, ensuring quality and proper fitment. They are a reliable replacement for your original lighting components. This assembly is compatible with 2003 to 2006 Silverado and Avalanche models, specifically those without factory cladding. Please verify your vehicle's specifications before purchase. While designed for direct replacement, we highly recommend professional installation to ensure optimal performance and fit. Bulbs are not included with this kit. What we like. This option comes as a complete kit, including both headlights and bumper lights, for a unified look. It offers a direct plug-and-play installation, meaning no modifications are needed. If you're looking for a straightforward, compliant replacement that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. Very good value for the money, function as should, and are super easy to install. Super bright and look sleek. Great projection on the ground with the light. Number 4. Autosaver 88 Silverado Tahoe Headlight Assembly. Ensure a perfect fit for your 1999 to 2002 Silverado and 2000 to 2006 Tahoe or Suburban. This assembly is designed for seamless integration with your vehicle. Experience significantly brighter lighting thanks to advanced metallic parabolic reflectors. They create a wider, smoother beam for enhanced visibility in all conditions. Our headlights feature microprism reflectors on the sides. This crucial safety feature ensures you are easily seen by oncoming traffic at night, protecting you and others. Don't worry about moisture or corrosion. These are fully sealed with one-way vents, designed to withstand any weather condition and keep the housing clear. Constructed with a tough polycarbonate lens and housing, they are built to resist shock and vibration. Drive confidently on any road, knowing they can handle the toughest conditions. While professional installation is recommended, the design ensures a straightforward process. Get ready to upgrade your vehicle's lighting system with confidence. What we like. Engineered for durability, this assembly features a fully sealed waterproof design and impact-resistant construction. The metallic parabolic reflectors ensure brighter, broader lighting for improved visibility. If you frequently drive in challenging weather conditions or on rough roads and prioritize safety and longevity, this is the one to consider. What people say. Fit perfectly in my vehicle, improved the vision immediately. Perfect, so much better than stock, fit just right and look so amazing, instantly gave my truck a glow up FRFR. It's hard to find a decent set of aftermarket headlights for these early 2000s Chevys, and these ones fit amazing. They fit tight and aligned perfectly and look great. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Silverado Tahoe Suburban. Ensure a perfect fit for your 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, or Suburban. This assembly is designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's existing setup. Experience brighter and clearer illumination. The advanced reflectors provide a broader, smoother beam, enhancing your visibility on the road. Don't worry about the elements. Our design features a fully sealed housing with one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup, ensuring longevity in any weather. Stay safe on the road with integrated safety reflectors. These make you more visible to oncoming traffic, especially at night. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses and a tough housing, it's built to withstand shocks and vibrations for a long-lasting performance. While professional installation is recommended, the design ensures a straightforward process. Please verify compatibility with your vehicle's year and model before purchase. What we like. This assembly boasts a fully sealed waterproof design to prevent moisture buildup and enhanced lighting with metallic parabolic reflectors. It also includes a safety reflector to increase visibility to others. If you're seeking improved illumination and enhanced safety, especially for nighttime driving, this option offers a good balance. What people say. Fit perfectly in my vehicle, improved the vision immediately. Perfect, so much better than stock, fit just right and look so amazing, instantly gave my truck a glow up FRFR. It's hard to find a decent set of aftermarket headlights for these early 2000s Chevys, and these ones fit amazing. They fit tight and aligned perfectly and look great. Number 2. DNA Motoring Smoke Lens Amber Headlights for Chevy Silverado Avalanche. Give your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or Avalanche a fresh, distinctive appearance. These headlights are designed to make your vehicle stand out. This package includes a full set of headlights and bumper lights. It's a direct replacement for your stock units, ensuring a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward with our plug-and-play design. No modifications or drilling are required, making the upgrade process simple. Featuring a sleek smoke lens with amber accents, these lights offer a unique look. They are perfect for show use and enhancing your vehicle's aesthetics. These are designed as a direct OE fitment or replacement. They provide a great alternative to your original lighting components. Ensure compatibility with your 2003 to 2006 Silverado or Avalanche models. Please note fitment details for specific trims and cladding options. What we like. For those who want to give their truck a distinct look, this option features a smoke lens for a more aggressive aesthetic. It includes both headlights and bumper lights and offers a plug-and-play installation. If you're aiming for a custom appearance without complex modifications, this is a solid pick. What people say. They fit perfect on my 2004 Silverado 1500. They look great, and have great seal. They even come with new sealing gaskets for your lights. That way they won't get condensation in the housings. I can actually see at night now. The lens tint is perfect, just dark enough to give it a little attitude but doesn't diminish your headlight efficiency. Number 1. Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly for Chevy Silverado Avalanche. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Headlight Assembly, designed to perfectly fit your 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado or Avalanche. Ensure your vehicle has the best visibility on the road. Featuring advanced metallic parabolic reflectors, these headlights provide brighter and smoother light output. Experience enhanced illumination for safer driving in all conditions. Our headlights are fully sealed with solid silicone and equipped with one-way vents to prevent moisture buildup. Drive with confidence, knowing they are protected against corrosion and fogging. Integrated side microprism reflectors ensure you are easily seen by oncoming traffic at night. This crucial safety feature helps prevent accidents and protects both you and others. Constructed with a tough polycarbonate lens and housing, these headlights are built to withstand shocks and vibrations. They are designed for longevity, even on challenging roads. This kit includes both the passenger and driver side headlight assemblies. It's a direct replacement designed for a seamless fit, though professional installation is recommended. What we like. This kit is built to last with a waterproof design and high impact resistance, ensuring performance in various conditions. It also provides brighter lighting for better road illumination. If you need a robust and reliable headlight replacement that can handle daily use and offers improved visibility, this assembly is a strong contender. What people say. The new headlights really modernized the front end and made the truck look much newer than it actually is. Fitment was straightforward and everything lined up the way it should. The lights themselves are bright and the overall build quality seemed good when installing them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.